While brown skin is naturally resilient and often ages gracefully, early signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of elasticity can still appear over time. So how do we maintain that youthful glow and keep our skin radiant for years to come? Start with a good moisturizer that contains hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. These help to lock in moisture and maintain your skin barrier, especially in colder months or if you're frequently indoors with heating. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. Your skin reflects your hydration levels. Incorporate a peptide serum to boost collagen production and improve skin firmness. Consider adding niacinamide to your routine for its brightening and anti-inflammatory properties. At night, using a retinol or retinol serum can encourage cell turnover, smooth fine lines, and even out skin tone. If you're new to retinol, start with a lower concentration and use it 2 to 3 times a week, gradually increasing frequency. Even though melanin offers some natural protection, ultraviolet rays can still cause premature aging and hyperpigmentation. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day, even indoors or on cloudy days. Opt for one that's lightweight and leaves no white cast, perfect for brown skin tones. For a more intensive boost, try PRP, or platelet-rich plasma therapy, or DP4 microneedling. These treatments stimulate collagen production, reduce fine lines, and improve skin texture. Another great option is Morpheus 8 radiofrequency microneedling, which combines RF energy with microneedling for deeper skin rejuvenation. All of these treatments are safe and effective for brown skin, as they are tailored to reduce risks of hyperpigmentation. At Trend Sassy, we specialize in customized skincare and treatments for brown skin. Need a personalized plan? Send us a message or book a consultation. We'd love to help you achieve that radiant, youthful glow.